Greetings, my name is Dustin, and this tutorial will teach you how to create a dynamic page counter in Adobe Captivate 7. So let's get right to it. Here in our sample course, we have a page number element that is set to display for rest of project. So it appears on this page and every preceding page. It's not correctly updating when I go from slide 1 to slide 2 to slide 3. It says page 1 of 3 on each of these pages, which is definitely not what we want. So how do we fix this? Well, dear friends, we use variables. If you're not familiar with what a variable is, essentially it's just a little information container. Captivate comes with quite a few standard or system variables with information such as the current slide you're on, your score on a quiz, and the total number of slides in a course. We're going to grab the information from the current slide and total slide count variables to create our dynamic page counter. So let's do that. Double-click the page numbering text caption so a cursor appears in the box. In the Properties panel, in the Format section, click the Variables icon. In the pop-up that appears, select System from the Variable dropdown. In the Variables dropdown, select CP Info Current Slide. And click the OK button. Notice that the variable is inserted into our text caption. We have to preview the project to see this variable in action, so click the Preview button and select Next 5 Slides from the drop-down menu. Notice that on slide 1, it now says slide 1, and on slide 2, it says 2, and on slide 3, 3. Awesome. But we want it to say page 1 of 3, etc. So let's get working on that. Double-click the text caption so a cursor appears. Type page in front of the variable. Type of after the variable. Next, in the Properties panel in the Format section, click the variable icon again. Select System from the Variable Type dropdown. Then select CP Info Slide Count from the Variables dropdown. And click OK. Alright, preview the course again. And there we have it, a dynamic page counter. If you reorder your slides, remove slides, add slides, or whatever, your little page counter will update accordingly without you having to adjust text captions on every page. Cool. If you want to follow along with these tutorials, you can go to thelearningsmith.com and purchase the Adobe Captivate 7 e-learning template. This template contains all the completed slides that we've been working through in these videos, and the little bit I make off them gives me some motivation to keep creating these tutorial videos. Until next time, you have yourself a wonderful day.